Konnichiwa guys, today we take a tour of Okinawa Room, one of the few uniquely designed rooms at Tokyo International Share House Casa Japanesque in Shibuya Shinjuku area. Okinawa Room is Japanese-style 6-tatami room, most common in central Tokyo. Its living space is approximately 3.6 meter long and 2.6 meter wide, which comes to slightly less than 10 square meters, without the closet. In comparison with conventional Japanese-style room, Okinawa Room has a few improvements, apart from its unique design, to make it more comfortable, cozy, and convenient. Let's take a look. Except for the high-end, Japanese private house doesn't usually have sufficient thermal insulation, and rooms might feel too hot in summer or too cold in winter. We installed additional efficient wall and window insulation, which together with curtains made of special insulating fabric, helps maintaining the room temperature stable for a substantial amount of time. The floor of the room is made of tatami mats and is covered with 3 layers of carpets and rugs, which makes it soft and warm. The furniture set consists of writing desk with shelves and cabinet, shelving unit, night cabinet, and double bed. The main LED light, shaped like a large dish, is in the center of the ceiling and is very common in modern Japan. Its brightness is controlled remotely. There are also desk and night lamps. Because power outlets are notoriously known for being placed in the most inconvenient places, we use extension cords. This gives some flexibility in placing them at your convenience. The multifunctional AC unit serves as an air conditioner in summer, heat in winter, as well as dehumidifier, and is controlled remotely. The room has 2 mirrors, wall clock, and temperature and humidity gauge, all for your convenience. We provide a number of utility items, including floor fan, hair dryer, 2 dinner trays, tea set, shower basket, and toothbrush cup. Oshiri closet with richly decorated sliding paper doors is spacious, about 180 cm long and 90 cm deep, and lined up with soft decorative materials. It has several functionally different sections. The largest central section has containers for clothing. The bottom section is for the bulky luggage, the top section is to store the bedding, and the tall right section is for hanging long items like dresses or pants. There is also a bottom side section for your shoe collection. The capacity of the closet is extended with additional bamboo rods to hang your clothes, towels, etc. Room decor is original and unique, and dedicated to beautiful nature and fascinating indigenous culture of Okinawa Islands, a chain of Japanese islands stretching southwest from Kyushu to Taiwan, which belongs to Ryukyu Kingdom until the end of the 19th century. The decor reminds of the long sandy beaches, exotic tropical flowers, plants, and trees, tender murmuring of oceanic waves, and soft whispering of the refreshing and invigorating oceanic breeze. The room is lavishly decorated with traditional Okinawan crafts and props, like noren, kimono, furoshiki, tenugui, ukiyo-e, paintings depicting exotic flowers, birds, and animals. The festive spirit of the room is uplifted with depiction of happy life and generous deeds of 7 gods of good fortune. And of course, one cannot talk about peculiar culture of Okinawa without mentioning Shisa, the guardian lions of Okinawa. The room also has a unique atmospheric night light. Original high-quality photography complements the sunny, bright, and invigorating atmosphere of the room. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you like it, please give us a thumb up, hit subscribe and share. For now, from all of us at Casa Japanesque, sayonara.